Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we already make video about what is Hajj and how many types of Hajj. Today inshallah I will talk about what is the complete way how to do Hajj as a practically and how many acts you need to do. So at 8 Dhul Hajjah your Hajj will start and you should wear ihram first of all. In white color is a specific dress pilgrims wears that, and then you should travel to Mina. And when you will go Mina, you should stay one day there, one overnight here, and pray Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib, 5 prayers you should do in Mina. And the second day after Fajr, like 9th Dhul Hajj, you should travel from Mina to Arafat. And then you will go in Arafat, you will arrive there at a Zuhr time, and Zuhr to Asr you stay there. Zuhr you should pray there, and Asr you should also pray there. And between Zuhr to Asr, makes dua asking for forgiveness and makes a worship and spend time in the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Here's the point, you don't need to pray Maghrib here. You leave the Arafat before praying Maghrib. And then you should travel from Arafat to Muzdalifah. When you will go Muzdalifah, then you need to pray the Maghrib, what you skipped, like what you skipped at the Arafat. Here you will pray Maghrib and Isha combined here. Your Maghrib prayer you will pray here with Isha prayer combined and stay overnight there. And the next one day, 10th Dhul Hajjah, you should move from Muzdalifah to Mina and do some acts. The first one thing you need to do, you will go there and you will throw 7 stones on the big pillar, which is the symbolic of Shaitan. And next, you should do the sacrifice, Qurbani, sacrifice of the animal, any animal you can brought from there, or if you have, and you should do Qurbani because this is the 10th Dhul Hajjah, this is the Eid day. The next one thing you need to do, you should cut the hairs, like shaving for men, and females should cut the small portion of the hairs. And next, now you can leave the ihram and you can wear as a normal cloth after doing these acts, after cutting the hairs. And then you can go to Mina, like you are in Mina and this acts you do, and you go for tawaf. Tawaf is basically a run or walk 7 times around the Kaaba, and you should say labbaik Allahumma labbaik la sharika laka labbaik innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulku la sharika laka labbaik, in the home of Allah. You will do 7 times, say this sentence, and 7 times you have to walk around of the Kaaba. And then 11th to 12th Dhul Hajj, you can stay there and make worship and prayer, and each day you can put 3 stones on the Shaitan, 3 stones through and on Shaitan, and like 12th Dhul Hajjah you can leave Mina and like your Hajj is complete here. So this is the as a small way shortly I describe in front of you. First day you will be in Mina, second day in Arafat, and third day in Muzdalifah. Then you will back to Mina, and these acts you need to do when you leave the Haram. Before that you need to do sacrifice and cutting your hairs and throw the stone on the Shaitan. So this is a way to do the Hajj. If you have a question you can ask me and comment, inshallah I will answer you. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.